Hello guys, welcome back again to City Technologies. My name is Collins. And the other day we learned how to create SQL database table on Oracle SQL Developer. And we promised that next time we'll be learning on how to use the command prompt to as well create an SQL table. So today we'll be learning how to use command prompt to create an SQL table, and I will proceed immediately. So to use command prompt to create an Oracle SQL table, you have to have Oracle SQL Developer installed on your PC, so the CMD can have a route to access where to store the tables. So either you use once you install an Oracle SQL Developer on your PC, it do come with a command line. It do come with Oracle SQL command line. So you see that's SQL command line. You can use this one to create your tables and do whatever you want to do on your database, and you can as well use the normal command prompt, Windows command prompt. So I'm going to use the Windows command prompt. You can search for it, or you can just hold down your Windows key and you click the R key and you type CMD and you click enter, and your command prompt will appear. So I hope the text is bold enough for you to see. So now we are going to proceed immediately. But first of all, let us log into our database. You're supposed to have a user created already, so you log in with the user ID, or you create a new user. So what we're gonna do here is we type SQL plus as the username, okay, you type SQL plus as we are connected to Oracle database. And what we're gonna do right now is, let me make this so what we're gonna do right now is we have to log in our user. We can use this user, but this is the main system user. I don't want to use it, so I log in my own user. So I would type con username and password. Connected successfully. So let's begin. What user are we going to be creating? We create a user with we create a table with what name? Student. Last time we created a table for students, so we were going for customer. So let's proceed right away. Create table, customer, open bracket, the customer ID, declare it as character, and 10 values, and the customer's name, declare it as character, and we'll put 20 there, and the customer's discount code. Discount code, we declare discount code as let's put it as character, because we'll be putting both alphabetical and numeric values there. So we declare the discount code as 11. put any values you want. And what do we the ID, the name, the this code, and the phone number for our customer, so we can call the customer to do our phone marketing or digital marketing or whatever. So the phone number, we can declare it as number, and this one we are going to assign the value. So every country has a value of 11 digital code for phone number. I think most countries are so. So and after that, sorry, you cannot put space here, just put phone, or you can put underscore. So declare it as a number, and we'll give it 11. After phone number, what are we gonna put next? Email for the customer. Email, we can put email as variable character. Varchar means variable character 2 is version 2 of variable character. So and what are we going? Okay, email, we can maybe assign 19 values there. And after email, what else are we going to put for our customer? Maybe we put date of initial purchase or date of registration, or whatever. We just put date. So and dates, we are going to declare dates as dates of reg. So we are going to declare it as dates, and that's it. So now we need to declare the ID as the primary key for this table. So what we're going to type is constraint, the table name, which is customer, underscore the column name ID underscore pk space primary key space and ID close close close. And let's try to run this table and see if it's going to run. Correct, our table created successfully, so our code is running. And now if you try to select this table, it's not going to work because there's nothing inside. So it's not like the Oracle SQL Developer that it will select the column names and all of that. But this one, let's try to see. Select asterisk, which means select all from customer. You see, no rows selected, which means that there is nothing in the table yet. So the CMD command prompt is not going to print any data. It's not going to print anything at all until you insert data into this table. So we're going to proceed by inserting data into the table. So what we're going to type is insert into customer ID, name, disk, code, phone, email, and dates of registration. Yeah, that's it. Date of registration is the last one. So close the bracket, space, values, open bracket, single quotation. ID, we can put ID as customer CS001, and name, we can put name as Alibaba Ma, and comma, and what else? Discount code, we can put discount code as a DC 0001. So and the phone number of our customer, we can put 011223344. So, and actually you don't need to put this single quotation. So 011223344. And what else we have here? Email. The email, we can put Alibaba at mail.com. And what else we have? Date of registration, we can put maybe he started buying goods from us on 26th of September 2018. And what else we have there? Finish. So we're going to close, and we're going to run and see if it's going to run successfully. Perfect. So our code is running successfully. One row inserted. So you can see now if we try to select the table, something is definitely going to appear. So you type select asterisk from customer. So that's it. That's how our table appears. You can see the ID here, it actually rearranged it, and the name here, and the dates of registration here, and discount code here, and phone here, and email here. So that's how you can use the command prompt to create SQL database table. And the funny thing, the more important thing about this is if you go to the SQL Developer right now, you are going to see this table. So it actually does store this data that we just created inside the SQL database developer. So you can actually access it from either ways, from your command prompt or from your SQL Developer IDE. So that's how you can insert and update data as well. Let's try to update data for this customer. Maybe Alibaba changed his email to ma@mail.com, so we can update it, or let's update Alibaba's name. Maybe he got married and wants to change his name, so we can type update customer sets name equals to maybe Alibaba 1, or instead of Alibaba, maybe he changed his name totally, so we can put his name as Wang Feiong. His name is Wang Feiong. Or we can put his name as Wang Zivo, so Master Wang. So this is Alibaba's new name. So update customer set name equals to Wang Zivo, where the customer ID is equals to CS001. So I think this should update this data immediately. Let's try to run and see if it's successful. One row updated. So let's try to select that table and see if our data really updated. So select asterisk from customer. So you can see Alibaba's name now changed to Wang Zivo. So that's his new name, and every other data remained the same. The discount code remain the same, the phone number, email, every other thing remain the same. So you can keep populating the data by using the same code to insert, and you can add as much customer as you want. There is no limitation. So that's how you can create your database for your company or whatever, and then you can then proceed from there. So but before we close, you need to commit your data into the database to make sure that everything is registered correctly, so there wouldn't be a loss of data. So you just type commits semicolon, then you enter, then you see commit completed. So this is going to tell the system to hold whatever data that we have given it without any modification. So we can do the modification or whatever by ourselves anytime we want. So if you exit the system, your data remain. So that's how you can create an SQL database table using your command prompt. As far as you have Oracle SQL Developer installed on your PC, and that's how simple it can be. You can see our code here. So I already had a video of how you can download this Oracle SQL table, Oracle SQL Developer. It's actually very complicated and complex to download because you need to download like 2 files, but I already made a video on how you can download it, and I'll put a link in the description. You can go to the video on my YouTube channel, and you can know how to download the SQL Developer on your PC. Very soon I'm going to make another video for that, and which will have a voice recording as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you do enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down, and leave a comment down below and give me your suggestions of what you would like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy. So we are done. We are going to type exit, or we're going to log out. So discon, we are disconnected, so exit and exit. Thanks, and bye bye.